Before we begin, this video is general health education, not personal medical advice. Fiber is a plant-based carbohydrate. Your body can't digest it, passes through mostly unchanged, but feeds the trillions of bacteria in your gut. These bacteria break down fiber into compounds that support immunity and may influence fat storage. The research is still exploring how exactly this works. Beyond digestion, fiber helps stabilize blood sugar and supports overall health. Your gut is a bustling ecosystem where trillions of bacteria live. They break down fiber you can't digest. This process is called fermentation. The bacteria then produce tiny, powerful molecules called short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. Think of them like energy snacks for your gut cells, keeping them healthy and strong. These SCFAs also support your immune system and help manage your body's energy. So fiber isn't just about waste. It's fuel for your gut's tiny but mighty workforce. Fiber's power lies in how your gut processes it. A varied diet, colorful fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes feeds good bacteria, which ferment fiber into beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. Hydration softens fiber, aiding smoother digestion. While no single food guarantees perfect results, diverse plant foods with steady hydration optimize gut health. Adding more fiber doesn't require a complete diet overhaul. Start by swapping refined grains like white bread for whole grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, or oats. These small changes boost your daily fiber without feeling restrictive. Pair meals with fruits and vegetables like apples, berries, or broccoli. Their natural fiber adds bulk while keeping things tasty. Hydration also helps. Water softens fiber, making it easier for your gut to process it smoothly. Small, consistent tweaks, like choosing whole grain snacks or adding beans to salads, can gradually increase your intake without feeling overwhelming. Not all fiber is the same. Some dissolve in water, like oats or beans, forming a gel that softens stool and feeds good gut bacteria, while others, like wheat bran, don't dissolve but add bulk to help move waste through your digestive tract. Both types matter. Supplements can't replace whole foods. Your gut needs variety from real plants. And adding fiber too fast? Start slow and hydrate well to avoid bloating. Fiber is great for your gut, but sometimes it's not enough on its own. If you notice persistent bloating, stomach pain, or changes in bowel habits that don't improve with diet tweaks, it may be time to talk to a healthcare provider. They can help rule out other causes and guide you toward balanced support. Always share details like what makes symptoms better or worse, and any medicines or supplements you take. This helps them give you the best care. Fiber isn't just about digestion. It's a key player in your gut's overall health, including how it interacts with your mind and environment. Your gut bacteria break down fiber into compounds that can influence mood and mental well-being, though the exact connection is still being studied. Plus, good hygiene, like thorough hand washing after touching animals or their environments, helps protect your gut from harmful germs. While fiber supports a healthy gut, it's not a magic fix. If you experience persistent symptoms like bloating or pain, consult a healthcare provider to explore other factors and get personalized guidance. Fiber supplements can be an option if your diet falls short, but they're not a replacement for whole foods. Over-the-counter OTC fiber products, like psyllium or methylcellulose, are regulated by the FDA to be safe and effective when used as directed. Always follow label instructions carefully, especially if you have conditions like diabetes or digestive issues. If symptoms like bloating or pain persist, consult a healthcare provider to rule out other causes. Supplements should support, not replace, a balanced diet rich in fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber isn't just for digestion. It plays a bigger role in keeping you healthy long-term. Studies suggest it may help lower risks for heart disease or type 2 diabetes over time, but research is still unfolding. That's why talking to your doctor is key. They can help you balance fiber intake with your health history and lifestyle, making sure what works for others fits your needs too. Fiber's effects aren't one-size-fits-all. Soluble fiber, like in oats, softens stool and slows digestion, while insoluble, like in wheat bran, speeds it up. Both can cause bloating or gas if your gut isn't used to it. Some studies link certain fibers to lower cholesterol or blood sugar, but results vary by person. If you notice new symptoms like pain or changes in bowel habits, talk with a doctor to rule out other causes. To build a fiber-friendly routine, start small. Add just 1 or 2 servings of fruits, vegetables, or whole grains per week, like blueberries on oats or quinoa in salads. This gradual approach lets your gut adjust comfortably. If you experience new pain or changes in bowel habits, consult a doctor. H1. They can help rule out other issues and guide you towards safer, more effective fiber intake. Your gut reacts to fiber in its own way like a fingerprint. Some fibers soften stool and slow digestion, while others speed it up. Both can cause bloating or gas if your gut isn't used to them. While some studies suggest certain fibers may help lower cholesterol or blood sugar, results vary by person. If you notice new symptoms like pain or changes in bowel habits, talk with a doctor. H1. They can support your health goals and rule out other causes. Start small. Add a few servings of fruit, vegetables, or whole grains to meals each week. Gradual changes give your gut time to adjust. Remember, this is general health education, not personal medical advice. For individual guidance,